Oh, be careful.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Hey everybody, welcome back. We're gonna open a couple cool things today. First, we've got the Celebrations Pikachu VMAX Premium Figure Collection. And there's a good view for the top side.
What's
Yeah.
the red? What's the red?
Look at those two
What's the
special
red?
promos. What's the red?
Yeah.
That's the magical cloud that hangs around when you VMAX a Pokemon. Because the Pokemon gets really big and they start getting clouds around their head. Also, we're gonna be opening the Target exclusive Mythical Squishy Collection. All right, let's open up the Pikachu Figure collection. Yeah, there we go. All right, I'm gonna pop these off.
I didn't need to pop that off.
There you go. Check out that Pikachu.
Whoa.
You want it?
Yeah.
It's yours.
All mine. It's all mine.
That is a beautiful reprint of Pikachu VMAX Chunkachu. Holy cow, look how many packs we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that's hefty. That's like a pretty decent.
I want to hand the
I just broke it. I'll glue it. I'll glue it. Oh my gosh, I was like, that's really hardy, and all of a sudden it just like snaps. I'll super glue it, honey. I'll super glue it after this. I can't believe I just broke it already. Okay, so the Pikachu, the base Pikachu right here is very sturdy. This is super brittle, just so you guys know. That's what we do here at CBX Pokemon. We review stuff for you guys, and you know, in order to review, we had to do some durability tests, and it didn't pass the durability test. And there's that code card for the figure collection. Vivid Voltage, a Chimicho. Oh, and a Raikou, amazing rare, nice.
But I got the green toe time.
Doesn't matter. Amazing rares are in the alternate slot, I think. All right, and I'm gonna open up a Chilling Reign.
But what about those skin packs?
Chilling Reign's got a white code card. There you go. Dark Energy, Doctor, Peonia, Fire Resistant Gloves, a Snover, Blitzel, Ghastly, Coughing, Delibird, Spitebird, and a Rapid Strike Urshifu. Darkness Ablaze, a Marini, a Yellhorn, a Serena, Celebrations, a Ho-Oh, a Cosmon, a Lugia, and a Zamazenta V.
Lana, I win.
You got a code card?
Tap Babble.
So it looks like a VMAX, Cosmog, Xerneas, Dialga, and a Flying Pikachu VMAX.
Oh, what?
Celebrations. All right, we got a Cosmon, a Dialga, a Reshiram, oh, a Donphan, a Professor's Research, and I got a Dark Gyarados and a Zacian. So who do you think won in that one?
This one.
Yeah, I think it'd be you because you got the Professor's Research. You got the Full Art Trainer along with the Donphan Classic. And that Donphan's a good one. That's a new one we haven't got.
I just think both.
Donphan's one of those strangely rare, hard to pull Celebrations cards. Let me see, starting with Yveltal, but a code card first, and a Dialga, and an Imposter's Professor Oak. Yes, another one that we needed.
What is this?
Code cards. All right, let's see.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Yveltal, Lugia, Cosmo, Golden Mew! Golden Mew! Golden Mew! Golden Mew! Yes! This is one that we've been waiting on. This is one we've had a hard time finding. Finally! That's the completion of the regular Celebrations. Of course! We're gonna open more Celebrations. You definitely won that pack battle, honey. Yveltal, Cosmog, and a Xerneas. These are my two Celebrations. Alright, let's see. We got a Ho-Oh, a Cosmon, and a Gardevoir! Another one we're missing! A Flying Pikachu VMAX, a Dialga.
We got that one.
Oh, the Blastoise and the Professor's Research!
We got that time. Yeah. We got that time.
Yeah, we got the Blastoise already.
We got this one already.
No, we haven't gotten the Gardevoir.
Yes, we did.
All right, let's go do the Mythical Squishy collection this time. All right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna open it up. It looks like there's no Celebrations packs in there. There's all regular set packs, but that's okay. It's still gonna be a fun pack to open. Are those promos? No, those aren't promos. Those are, all right, hold on. Get the packs out first.
I want to do these first.
Oh.
The Squishy.
They're squishies. They feel good, like a good texture, but they're not as squishy as some of the really good squishies. I've felt squishier squishies. They're the 3 best friends that anyone can squish.
And there's the code card.
I can't believe we got the Golden Mew. And the centering is so perfect. And the back is perfect. This is a possible PSA 10 Golden Mew, guys. Oh, I'm not even messing. Awesome, okay. You pick whatever you want to open.
All right, here's a Battle Styles code card. White code card on the Vivid Voltage.
A Skiddo, a Deaden, a Drillbur, an Oshawott, a Carolus, and a Togekiss V!
Chilling Rain.
A Deerling, a Bellsprout, a Delibird, a Larvestar, a Mindfu, a Yamper, a Celio, and you got a Rillaboom rare. And a Thwacky. Let's see, I got a Gligar. Ooh, and I got a Rapid Strike Urshifu V.
There you go.
Alright, a Spoink, Mime, Scatterbug, Yamper, Lickitung, Bisharp, Jellicent. Still so psyched about that Golden Mew, man.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
No, not yet.
We got a Vivid Voltage.
Alright, Drillbur, Wailmer, Cottony, Clobopus, Electrike, Telescopic Sight, Donphan,
White code card. There you go.
Fire Energy, Digging Gloves, Stormy Mountains, Shelgon, Petalil, Bergmite, Drowsy, Scraggy, Bagon, Slowly Badge, with an Umbreon V. Yeah, buddy.
I win.
Oh, you got a white code card, but I got a green code card, so you might have better cards than me. There you go.
Alright, let's see. Let's put them down. Alright, Shinx and a Nickit, a Dwebble and a Sandygast, a Rufflet and a Roly-Poly, Dwebble, and a Rufflet, Roggenrola and Stunky, Wobbuffet and Clefairy. Oh, you got a Gordy Fork trainer! Yeah, you won. You won that one. Oh, show. Why are my dogs barking? Man, that was a good opening. Oh, look at you got a lot of good cards.
Another man.
Yeah, and how many did we get from from celebrations that we didn't have before? The Donphan, the Golden Mew,
And
the Gardevoir,
this.
and the Imposter Professor Oak. We got 4 new celebrations cards that we didn't have before.
I was really sad off forever when I did not this time.
Yeah, but you got the best card here. You always get the best one. It's just always your luck is better. You know what I think we should do now? Now let's check out what cards we got. See you in the next one.